Are you thinking about making a big chop? You're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 6 game-changing short haircuts that are taking the world by storm. You see the smiles on these beautiful faces? That's the joy of finding your perfect short style. Whether you're dreaming of looking super chic, totally edgy, or just want to roll out of bed looking fabulous, I've got you covered. You'll be seeing amazing snippets from our Beyond the Cut chat video throughout. These amazing women are sharing their real experiences with short hair, and let me tell you, it's hot. Who knows, this could be the start of a whole new you. Are you ready to see these amazing looks and hear some inspiring stories? Let's dive in.
Well, I'm Sherry, and I am going to say I'm short and fierce. You know, and you have to embrace what you have. And I carry this badge of honor of this gray hair and being short. I never went to wigs. I never liked doing extensions. We're championing a new era of this.
We are dreaming up a game-changing hair resource coming in 2025. We would love to hear more about your gray hair journey by filling out our form in the link below. If you're looking for a stylist, or maybe you already have a stylist that you love, your recommendations could help other women find their ideal hair guru. Let's build this amazing Silver Strand network together. Join now and fill out the form and be a part of something truly big, the Gray Hair Glow Up. First up on our short hair journey is the classic Pixie. You guys know this is my all-time favorite. This style was popularized in the 1960s. Look at these beauties. It's not just a haircut, it's a statement. Shampooing is a breeze. Styling is of ease. All you need is a couple of products to call your own. A good molding foam, a good moisturizer. But the secret to this look is the cut.
So for me, what I like about the short hair is, like I said earlier, it's just very clean. I'm going to be 57 this year. And although I've always worn my hair short, I've had it shaven all the way off, you know, like bare shaven off. I like that. But this length that it is now, I think it is so versatile. I can either wear it with conditioner in it and kind of work it with my fingers sometimes and just go. I typically walk like 30 minutes a day during work. So when I come back, I just take a little mold, put it on the sides and in the back, tie it with a wrap. By the time it's time for my next meeting, I take that wrap off and I'm ready to go just with the little finger working it. I know I don't have a lot of gray in there, but it's coming. And I just believe that the older we get, the jazzier we look with that short gray hair. So that's my reason for it.
Yeah.
So,
I'm loving my grays. I'm loving my grays.
It's probably, I'll cut it really, really short. And I feel super confident. At this stage, I'm like, okay, I'm there, I'm okay. But the shorter it is, I feel like I'm just walking into self. Like, this is all of me. There's no pretense. And just my level of knowing. I think, and people notice it. I get compliments all the time, like, man, your hair is fly. Or they'll hear me like, I know you're not from Nashville. Where are you from? Right, I'm from Chi. It's okay, we do this. Right, but the shorter the cut is from me. Y'all just don't know. I'm like trembling to stay away from the clippers because there's a level of confidence. Like, I feel like I'm wait a minute, I found myself.
Next up, girl, for the brave and the beautiful, it is the bold buzz. Embracing minimalism. The bold buzz. Question: ever wonder what it feels like to shower without worrying about your hair? This is your answer, sis. And this is exactly how I started my gray hair journey. Talk about minimalism at its finest. Shampooing, more like a gentle head massage. And styling, there is none. You've got better things to do. So check out these AI versus reality beautiful looks with the buzz cut. So girl, we are moving on to the show-stopping Tapered TWA. Did you know that TWA stands for Teeny Weeny Afro, but there's nothing teeny about its impact. This cut is all about embracing your natural texture, low maintenance, but high style. An insider secret is to have a great leave-in conditioner and also the best products for your curls and tapered sides.
Always had short hair, so long hair, I never admired how I look with long hair. When you're younger, you feel like you have to compete with those with longer hair and they're more beautiful, but I love my short hair. I think it highlights my high cheekbones and my skin tone. I mean, my facial structure. So I think I'm rocking the short hair. I get my hair cut every 2 weeks by my barber. He's amazing. When it gets a little too long, I say, hey, I need you to get these ends, cut these sides down, cut the back down a little bit, because it's classy, it's easy. You don't have to fuss with it. You don't have to worry about a curling iron and all those. Because my hair is natural, I don't have to worry about all those things. So I just get up and go, and I love it.
Now let's bounce into defined curls. Who said short hair can't be versatile? Short, yes. Sassy, absolutely. Stunning, you bet. This style is wash and wear with an attitude. I love to use the Design Essentials foam on my short and sassy curl clients. It really helps define their curls. Followed up the Design Essentials botanical oil for moisture and maintenance. Use whatever you like. Just be sure you have hydrated and shiny curls.
I love my short haircut because, for one, it's convenient. Like I said, when I was in high school, I would wear my hair short as well. But I especially like the cut, and I actually have, I did end up getting a hairdresser to do it for me. She'll cut my hair like maybe when it grows, it's been growing out fast. So if it grows out fast, I would say like maybe every 6 to 8 weeks, she'll give it a cut. I just love the convenience of it. It's more manageable. I'm able to take care of it. I foam it up, and wrap it up and sit up under the dryer. But I just like the shortness because it brings out my face. I have big ears. I realize that, but I'm confident with the way I look.
Fade with flair. Edgy yet sophisticated. Fades originated in the U.S. military but quickly became a statement of style for everyone. This style is low maintenance. A little pomade goes a long way on the top and sides. Where it's smooth, textured, or spiky, however you rock it, you'll definitely stand out from the crowd. Last but certainly not least, feast your eyes on finger coils. Did you know this style is a fantastic way to transition from relaxed to natural hair? But of course, your hair would have to be rotted as you are transitioning to give that coil appearance and look. It's structured, it's simple, it's simply irresistible. But when it's all natural, it's wash and go friendly with the twist, literally. You gotta have patience, girls. Perfect coils aren't built in a day. You gotta build up that curl memory and use the right products. All right, y'all, there you have it. 6 short, sweet, and sassy haircuts that'll make you wonder why you ever bothered with long hair. Which style has chosen your heart? Is it the classic charm of the Pixie, the bold statement of the Buzz, or maybe the natural allure of the TWA? Drop a comment below and let me know which one you're dying to try. But wait, if you're hungry for more hair-raising content, follow the link to our hair maintenance playlist. You'll find lots of videos on short hair. And remember, in the world of short hair, almost every day is a good hair day. So go forth, girl, be brave, and let your short hair flag fly. Until the next time, keep it short, keep it stylish, and most importantly, keep being fabulous. Peace.